Good day, everyone. I'm Nico Absalon, the marketing head of ProFriends Company. I'm here to introduce to you our newest condominium, the Wind Residences. The perfect combination of central location, shopping and dining, resorts-like amenities, large open spaces, hotel-like living. Sometimes, you just need to feel safe enough to throw caution to the wind. The joy of Tagaytay living has reached new heights. Get away from the hustle and bustle of city life. Come home with Residences. Imagine, you and your family living in a vacation spot such as Tagaytay, with each fresh mountain, breeze and panoramic view of Taal. Imagine, waking up to perfect morning, feel the cool breeze and smell the scent pipes as you step outside your balcony, and to make this relaxing morning and even more perfect. You have the majestic view of Taal Lake. This picture-perfect view of Taal Lake can now be yours. Right from your private balcony, your very own vacation condo in Tagaytay. In the most prime part of this famous vacation city, the future site of SM's newest shopping and dining destination along Tagaytay's main highway. Wind Residences is a 15-hectare property located at the heart of Tagaytay City, a premier destination for both foreign and local tourists. It has 10 40-story towers that offer breathtaking views of Taal Lake and the Metro Manila skyline. It is a residential and commercial development surrounded by green landscapes. Wind Residences offers relaxing and fun-filled amenities such as swimming pools, a badminton court, and a basketball court. Just an hour drive from Manila. Enjoy a Tagaytay weekend getaway at your very own dream home at Wind Residences. It has cool weather, tranquil countryside, landscape, clean street, and just 2 hours away from Manila means you can take that much deserved break whenever the opportunity presents itself. Wind Residences is just a few steps away from tourist destinations. Landmarks within 350 meters or less. Josephine's Antonio's for fine dining restaurant. Starbucks and Bags of Beans for coffee shops. Palace in the Sky, Flower Park, Picnic Group, Casino Filipino for tourist spots. Boating on the lake, hike along the trails descending the volcano's ridge, or horseback riding for adventures. It's sumptuous bulalo. Enjoy a meal of fresh tawilis and lavish on fresh fruits from the mahogany market for local delicacies. Compared to single detached homes, leisure's condo, such as Wind Residences, Tagaytay provides a more affordable option for those who want a second home outside of Manila. It is a better alternative to staying at a hotel for families and individuals who frequent nearby Tagaytay for quick vacations. For retirees, this is an ideal second home where they may enjoy a leisurely life after dedicating decades to their careers. Enjoy various games and sports at sports facilities. Take a relaxing dip at the pool or at Indigo and Bulgarian Peak sprint around the open areas of the property. One special feature of the development will be the Sky Lounge at the roof deck of Tower 3. This will provide future residents with 360-degree views of the entire Tagaytay Batangas mountains and Manila skyline. The site will be comparable to the stunning panoramic view in Palace in the Sky. All towers of Wind Residences Tagaytay welcome its resident with a hotel-like lobby at the ground level, with a 5-star quality concierge services such as housekeeping, unit leasing, and general maintenance. The pleasure of city living in your neighborhood, the upper ground floor of each tower is a Santa Monica Boulevard, inspired commercial street and interconnecting rows of fine dining restaurants and cafes. The Tower of Wind Residence is located along Aguinaldo Highway, Maharlika West, Tagaytay City. We have 10 towers that has 40 floors per tower. Unit size of 20 square meter to 148 square meter. The prices range from 1.7 million pesos to 17.7 million pesos. Experience a taste of 5-star living with these luxury features and amenities. 8 high-speed elevators, single loaded hallways, backup power for common areas, 24/7 security, such includes security patrols, CCTV cameras, burglar alarm every unit, entrance gate with guardhouse, property management office for your any problems in the building. Fire protection system includes water sprinklers, fire exits, fire extinguishers, firehouse cabinets, and fire alarms. Rentable storage spaces for your cars, sewage treatment system, a good drainage system, basketball court, badminton court, tennis court, garden lawn, swimming pools, playground area, jogging path, clubhouse, function rooms, recreational area, sky lounge, grand lobbies, commercial areas, Seymour Market, retail shops, and restaurants and cafes. The best value property in Tagaytay is already here. So what are you waiting for? Reserve a unit now and get a special promo. No spot down payment. Want to know more? Just contact us on 0920-40914521 or visit our website on www